Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will go through the process of changing the closure system on your Thermomix TM5. This is an essential maintenance task that ensures your appliance functions safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A pair of pliers. 4. A clean cloth for dusting. 5. A replacement closure system kit, which you can find online or at your local appliance store. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5. Safety first. Once it's unplugged, place it on a stable surface. Remove the lid by pressing the release button located at the top. Set the lid aside. Next, take the Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws located on the base of the closure system. There are typically 4 screws that hold the system in place. As you do this, keep the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the closure system away from the body. This part may require a bit of force, but be careful not to damage any internal components. If you encounter resistance, use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose. With the old closure system removed, take this opportunity to clean the internal area. Use the clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your Thermomix. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take your new closure system and align it with the mounting points on the Thermomix body. Push it into place firmly, ensuring it fits snugly. Once secured, use the Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws. Make sure they are tight, but do not over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. After securing the closure, reattach the lid by aligning it with the base and pressing until you hear a click. This ensures that the lid is properly locked in place. If you find that you don't have the necessary tools or feel uncertain about performing this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. You can also request a quote before repair to know the costs involved. Once everything is securely in place, plug your Thermomix TM5 back in and perform a quick test to make sure the closure system is functioning properly. You should feel a tight seal when the lid is closed. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully changed the closure system. Finally, always keep an eye on the condition of your Thermomix. Regular maintenance can prolong its life and improve performance. If you experience any issues in the future, remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to assist you conveniently from the comfort of your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.